welcome to another Linguish craft. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, I think so, yes.
What are we doing today?
We are making money?
Money. We're making money, but we're making Roman coins from the antiquity. So very old coins. That's in our antiquity project. And we'll later use these coins to go to the market and buy things. So, now what we need to make Roman coins, fake Roman coins, is thick paper. I want thick paper.
Thick paper.
So we got thick paper. Can I have thick paper, please?
Can I have thick paper, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Can I have thick paper, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
So, thick paper or thin cardboard, not thick cardboard. It's too hard to cut for kids. Okay, we got our thick paper. First thing we need to do is to draw circles in the cardboard or in the thick paper. So to do that, we can draw them by hand, but it's not really neat. Let's use something a bit better, like a cap, for example. So, do you want a cap? Yes, please.
Yes, please.
There you go. Do you want a cap?
Yes, please.
Here you go. So let's draw circles using the caps.
How many?
How many? That's a good question. I'd say
100.
Ooh, 100. That's a lot.
A million.
What about 5? Okay,
Okay.
5 is good. It's enough to buy things at the market. So let's do 5. Great. So we've got our 5 rings so far. So for the super simple version of making Roman coins, we're just going to cut them. Okay. So you need to ask.
Sorry.
Can I have scissors, please?
Can I have scissors, please?
Yes, you
Thank
can.
you. Can I have scissors, please?
Yes, you can. Okay, so let's cut these rings. Okay, great. So we have, well, one ring here, one ring here. Okay, to show you how to do it, simply we're going to cut aluminum foil, and we need something just a bit bigger than the circle. Let's say like a square, like this. I'm gonna find the shiniest side. This one's a bit dull. Oh, this one is super shiny. And I'm simply going to put it inside and fold it like so. It doesn't have to be super neat, but just make it really flat. So you fold it, you make it flat, 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 and you end up with a shiny coin. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now we use this one to show you the fancy version. What we can do with aluminum, because it's not a really strong metal, we can engrave it. If we don't push too hard, we can write things. So right now, let's add a 1. So the value of this coin is 1. It's just 1. We can even go as far as to draw someone or add decorations and make our coins beautiful. Okay, so that's the super simple version. Just fold it behind. Now, for the fancy version, well, what we're going to do, take our ring, we're going to cut 2 squares and simply we're going to glue them. Let me show you how it works. So, glue on one side, like so. You glue it to the aluminum foil. Glue on the other side. Aluminum foil. Make sure it's nice and flat. But wait. Does this look like a Roman coin? No. We'll have to cut around it again to make it look really nice. So we make it super flat, we cut around it, and same thing, we can add value, we can add our face, because maybe we could be Roman emperors, or you know, or the queen or empress. Would it be empress, right? I think in English. But anyway, you can do anything you want. Make sure you don't. You can even use the end of a marker to engrave it. It works. Just make sure you don't push too hard, as you may remove the aluminum foil from the paper. But hey, let's make a lot of them so we get super rich and we can buy a lot of things at the market. Okay? Perfect. Bye, Roy. Bye.
Bye.